Some important business developments. Remember, today is a landmark day that redefined wealth creation. It's been exactly 25 years since Infosys went public, creating billionaires and millionaires out of people with no powerful background and a middle-class upbringing. Also, that they faced many tough moments in the last few years because of the board and the management issues, and it remains to be seen if Infosys can really regain the mojo under Nandan Nilekani and Salil Parekh, despite facing a stiff, cutthroat competition from peers like TCS, Wipro and Tech Mahindra. Infosys' 25 years listing history and listing the blue chip company as one of the most successful ventures is something that we're marking this evening with superb voices as well on the show and across the channel throughout the day. But before that, let's take it across to Chandra Srikanth, who's joining us from the Infosys campus at Bangalore with more highlights and the achievements of the company over the last 2 decades.
We're coming to you from the Infosys campus right here in Bengaluru. If you look at the mood on campus, it's a pretty ordinary day, no fireworks or jubilation as such. In fact, the company itself has been very silent on the silver jubilee of its listing. The founders haven't said anything either. I guess that's the way they want to play it for now, after the high voltage coverage the company received in the last year, in the light of all the governance issues, the board shake-up, the management changes that we saw. But despite all that, the IPO, the Infosys IPO in 1993 was a seminal event because it redefined the concept of wealth creation. It showed what a group of individuals with no powerful background and a middle-class upbringing could create, a company of global scale and scope. It spawned many billionaires, millionaires in the process who've been giving back in the form of reinvestments and philanthropy. It also set new benchmarks with respect to transparency, with respect to disclosures, which is why you had foreign institutional investors showing a huge interest in the stock, and it's always been a darling of investors in that sense. It remains to be seen if under Chairman Nandan Nilekani and new CEO Salil Parekh, it can regain some of the mojo that it lost in the last year, and it can catch up with TCS, which has been growing at a considerably faster clip. But all said and done, a seminal day for Infosys, a seminal day for India Inc.